Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make these very delicious Bofrot, also called puff puff. So for this recipe, I used water, milk, salt, nutmeg, sugar, yeast, vanilla extract, and all-purpose flour. To the sifted flour, add nutmeg, salt, and sugar. Give it a whisk and set it aside. In a different bowl, combine lukewarm water with lukewarm milk. Add about a teaspoon of sugar. Sprinkle the yeast on top of the liquid and let it sit for about 10 minutes or until it starts to look like this. And this is footage from another video, but the process is still the same. Here I added about a cup of the yeast mixture to the flour. I'm not adding everything at once because I do not want to risk adding too much of the liquid. And I'll continue to add a little bit of the mixture as I progress to get to the right consistency. The texture is supposed to be sticky but not runny. So for this recipe, it's more so about the texture than the actual measurements. Cover it with a cling film or a towel and let it rise in a warm place for about 90 minutes or until it doubles in size. And this is how it looks after about 1.5 hours. Heat oil over medium to high heat, and I like to dip my ice cream scooper in the oil to avoid the dough from sticking to it. And fry until they're brown. And there you have it. If you want to know how you can make Ghanaian donuts, check out this video. And for a simple yet delicious meat pie recipe, check out this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.